new in current update. I'm going with releases version 1.0.0, and nice feature added is llimo chat fix. So when we start fix, it starts in current directory from the testing, the npm test all, and then if everything is okay, then project is okay, all tests passed, all the tests, all the type tests, and all the nib tests. So all tests pass. If they are not, right, so we can open any fail, any test, and add just a shared fail. So in this case, why is this very useful? Because when I use penpet test and there are like 200 tests, so to find the error, especially with the tab formatting, is quite a task. So I just use show here or s, and so I can see all the tests, all the fail tests. So fail, failed, and where is failed? So here. So I can easily navigate to the errors, and here no to do, skipped, and other tests results, just fail, cancelled, and types. Problem with types. Let's check with types. And also, if I do it like this here, and you can see, so here if I go here, we have so many tests to see the one fail is quite a task, right? And we need to follow this format for better output and parsing. So of course I can go here like this one, but then it's easier with also colored text, fails, etc. And I can see the same fail in test here, but here I need to use another command. So I would like to go with all the projects with only one command, test all, and then very nice and easy to run the chat with the fix first, and so we can see the progress, like testing in small window, we can see the timing, we can see all the results here, and we can show the detailed information before going test with LLM. So this is the nice feature from here. Also some commands added in bin, so here also list, and more commands. Almost all the commands work from the root command llimo, and as here I can filter whatever I wish, and by provider.